So we had to take a pause for the cause, and the cause is because we can't get this fat Mickey Vicky out the backyard. So we are building a bike we cannot get out of the backyard. What is going on, guys? We're just over here. Oh boy, once again, got projects all the time. So we are back. We have makeshift garage installed, ready to keep us nice and cool. So we're going to get these bags in. I kind of took them out here so you can get a look at them. They're really nice. They're Vikings. They're made for the 2013 Victory 8-ball, which is what we have here. This is Jeff Williams' bike. Check out his channel at Jeff Williams. So really nice. I want to give you a quick look at these. These are, you know, obviously a little bit better than mine that I put on. I went with the cheapies, but I wanted to kind of compare because I was like, you know what? Come on, the cheap ones got to be the same as these, but no. These things are very high quality, very nice. The interior here, you can see on the top is like a padded canvas, really durable looking. The inside has stitched leather that goes throughout. And it's kind of a shame because we're going to have to drill through that nice leather in order to get our holes in there. So I wish it was a little more custom. So we got to go through the side here when we get it all lined up. But just wanted to kind of show you the quality here. I mean, that hinge is really sturdy, really solid. The edges, they have like some rubber against them to, you know, to help out with the moisture. And that lock, I mean, this was the whole reason of why, you know, we needed it, is to, you know, to lock stuff up, you know, when we go to the event. So that's a very nice lock there, quality little hinge there. And they put this hinge on here. The earlier models, every time you close it, it was locked. That was it. So if you messed up and had your key in there, then it's over. So they added this hinge here to make sure that you can, you know, still pop it open, you know, the lever inside. Because before, once you close it, this thing locked up, and you know, if your keys are in there, you're just out. So some really nice bags, you know, variety of different mounting gadgetry here. You got a bunch of bolts over here. These bolts are going to be going into the actual frame of the bike because they have the hex bolt end there. And the rest of these, I assume, are going to be different sizes so that you can do different combinations to make it fit the right way. And then we have the brackets and some plates. It didn't come with the charger, and then it came with this mysterious piece of paper inside. I don't know, it was like, it's written in kind of like a demanding way, like do this, do that, but I don't know what it's called. So we won't worry about those. So I guess we have enough here to get everything together. All right, so we're gonna crank off these bolts here and get this loosened up because we have to also figure out this backrest that he has. It's a quick release, and we did it last time and we made it work last time. I don't know if it was necessarily exactly the way it was supposed to be, but it's kind of wobbly and it rattles around. So if we have to lose it, we'll lose it, but we're going to try to get it in there along with the bags and secure it down, just, you know, so it's permanent, not rattling around. I got these side brackets in here. They come with, the way they solved the little tilting problem, because if you see, this has a style line here all the way through, and it's, you know, on an angle. So the bags before would be on an angle, and then you'd have to use washers to straighten the bags out. But I guess they're using these plates now to straighten it out. It looks to be straight so far, so I haven't cranked it all the way down yet, but we're just getting it in here to fit it and to get the holes marked. We got the brackets on and everything. They're ready to roll. We're going to get this side on first, actually, because it has the exhaust on it, and so we got to get the height for the exhaust first, and we're going to match the other side to this side. All right, so after you line them all up and you get all your marks done and you've done all the curse words that is going to be needed for something like this, so he's got the fattest freaking tire to go on here, and there's no room at all to get your fingers back there to mark those holes. So have a plan for marking them. White crayon really works though. That's what we used, and just a little touch, leave some crayon. It's kind of hot out here, so there's a little tip. White crayon works well. And now the best part is I get to drill holes in Jeff's expensive bags. So we had to take a pause for the cause, and The cause is because we can't get this fat Mickey Vicky out the backyard. So we are building a bike. We cannot get out of the backyard. All right, so we've decided this is going to be a good stopping point for now. So we can't get it out. We're going to have to take down a fence, you know, to get it out, apparently, and make a fence out of it, I guess. So yeah, for now, we're going to pause for the cause. Probably take a ride or whatever and get back at this tomorrow. So we'll catch you back on tomorrow. All right, so it's on tomorrow. Back out here is day 2 of the saga of the fat body bike. So we are back at it again. We got the makeshift garage in place, trying to get at this early before it gets too hot. But the decision was made that we are gonna take the bush out instead of the side panel of the thing. So we're gonna continue on and get this thing buttoned up and then figure out how to get it out of here later. All right, so we are wrapping it up. Jeff is giving a quick wipe down before I do the final scene, so he appears to be a responsible bike owner that keeps his bike clean. But now all the dust when you drill, as you can see here, goes everywhere, all over the place. So you definitely got to wipe down after. But man, Jeff, the bike is looking smooth, man. It's looking fat bodied. I'm still not used to the gap that you get, you know. You had the purses too, right? The sad bags that just lay on the top.
Yeah, some throwovers.
Yeah, so I did too. So the conversion of going back to, you know, these big gaps here. I mean, I know other bikes have them, but just got to get used to it. But these are some awesome bags. They're so secure, so solid. It's a fiddly job. It's not a hard job, but it's fiddly, and you got to take them off. I think I took this. What did we take these off, like 5-6 times? Just to size and, you know, get it up, you know, the right way. You got to get it up the right way. I mean, you got to. Anyways, little tip: go with the front. This front bracket here, after you've aligned it like that, it's straight here and that it has the right height. That's going to be this one, and you can gill that one first, and then put it back on with one screw, and then adjust the back end, and then put this top screw in for, you know, from there. And then you got it, and after that you just mark the rest of them while the top screws are in, and you're in business. So there it is, man. She's fat bodied now. She is ready. She's Sturgis ready, and you know, like I said, these are the Viking bags made for the 2013 Victory 8-ball. So I'm gonna have a link to these bags in the description. So if you want to pick some up, if you have a 8-ball and want a style like this, they fit real nice. They go with the bike nicely. So anyhow, yeah, she's looking good. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Live free.